How can I determine the quality of data for data checks? Pivot tables are excellent for determining data checks and quality of data. They are simple, powerful, and very effective. In some cases, the missing data in the source data table is easily visible. This is reflected via a data check and a count of records where the data does not comply, as shown by the yellow cells. Depending on the source data used in the pivot tables, blank records can be included. As long as the anchor field is blank, it can be ignored, as shown by the green cells. Missing data is only an issue if the field or column is mandatory versus optional or conditional. This is determined by the data check. In some cases, the quality of data is harder to spot. Here we have a data check. Confirm that the male weight is greater than the female weight unless the weight balance is reverse. It appears that the data for Quokka has been specified incorrectly. Returning to the source data sheet and row 8, it can be seen that the male weight is less than the female weight when the normal weight balance between male and female applies. Columns G and H were added by the data analyst to help determine whether the source data is correct or not. We discuss how to create a pivot table in the Data Insight. How do I create a pivot table? In summary, the pivot table can be used to show where the data fails to comply with the data check statement.